Have you ever stopped to think why parenting today feels so different from how we were raised? Back then, love was often shown through discipline, respect meant silence, and good behavior usually came from fear, not understanding. But something is changing. Parents today are asking deeper questions, like how can I raise a confident child and not just an obedient one? How can I connect, not just control? When we were growing up, parenting often followed the 4 C's of control: criticism, commanding, condemning, and correcting. It actually worked to an extent because we learned manners, respect, and discipline, but it also left many adults struggling with fear of failure, people pleasing, and low self-worth. Today, parents are learning a new set of 4 C's, which are connection, communication, conversations, and commendation. And this is because science is teaching us something powerful. A child's brain doesn't grow stronger through fear, but through safety and love. According to child development research, positive words and gentle tone releases oxytocin, the connection hormone, which strengthens a child's memory, confidence, and social awareness. On the other hand, constant criticism or yelling triggers stress hormones that block learning and trust. So yes, parenting is changing because we now understand the science of love. Let's talk about criticism. We often think we are helping our children improve when we point out their faults, but repeated criticism chips away their confidence. Commendation builds momentum. When we commend small steps and efforts, children learn resilience. They stop fearing failure and start trying again. Commanding versus communication. Old school parenting will say, "Because I said so." Modern parenting will say, "Let's talk about why." Commanding wins obedience for a moment, but communication builds understanding for a lifetime. Commendation versus conversation. Condemnation uses shame. You are careless, but conversation uses curiosity. What happened? How can we fix it together? Shame shuts down learning. Conversations open the door to responsibility. Every mistake becomes a moment of growth, not guilt. Our parents did their best with what they knew, but now we know better. We understand that children who feel connected grow into adults who can connect, that communication is stronger than control, that commendation teaches courage, and that every conversation plants seeds of confidence. Parenting is no longer about perfection, but about presence. If you got any value at all from this video, do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share with parents around you, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.